Meet Robot, the robot parent. Flying Robot is Robot's kid. The kid forgot to bring any methods, so it borrowed introduce from the parent. Nobody noticed the difference. The robot proudly says, "Hello, I am a robot." Flying Robot is building itself, but it still needs the parent setup machine. So it calls Robot's Constructor. Otherwise, the robot might wake up and ask, "Wait, what's my name again?" Instead of dialing the parent's number manually, the robot presses the giant super button. Boop. The parent setup runs automatically. Less typing. Less confusion. More robot happiness. Robot already knows its name, but Flying Robot wants an upgrade. So it installs a flying meter. Now Sky remembers its name and exactly how high it can zoom through the clouds. The parent robot learned how to introduce itself, but Flying Robot wanted something cooler. So it learned a brand new trick. Introducing is nice, but flying is much more dramatic. Whoosh. Robot says, "Hello, I am a robot." Singing Robot says, "Good idea, but let's add music." Musical note, "Hello, I am a singing robot." The child replaced the parent's version. Same method name, different performance. That's called overwriting. Robot gives Sky a name. Flying Robot adds a flying height. Sky introduces itself politely, then immediately blasts into the sky. The child kept everything useful from the parent, added some cool upgrades, and became a superhero robot. That's the magic of inheritance.